Hi Simon, this is just a quick video response to the email you sent in, and I thought I'd just do this quickly for you. You've got a question that you're sending in about your Beko DIF243X single oven. Basically you're saying grill, light and fan run, watched the video, took a look at the element, no continuity, do I need to replace it? Simple answer being is if you have no continuity on the fan oven element, then you do have a problem with the elements itself. What I've done for you, not only have I put the link to the correct element for your cooker, I've managed to obtain you the workshop manual, wiring diagram, and the workshop manual is very comprehensive with regards everything you need to know about your Beko oven. It will show you how to replace base element, grill element, fan motor, thermostat, selector switch, so on. Everything you need is in there. There is also exploded diagrams on that page as well that will show you every component that is on the cooker, and these have reference numbers to it. Match them up to the list of parts at the bottom of the page, and that will take you through to the correct part that you need for your cooker. I've also put some additional videos on the page for you to show you how to replace fan oven element or the fan motor, grill element, base element. I've done a lot of videos recently on these Beko cookers, and I've done a comprehensive video library just dedicated to these Beko ovens. So I hope all this information helps you and you manage to get your oven up and running again just before Christmas, and then you'll be able to cook the turkey. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us. If you need any further assistance, feel free to use the contact us page on the website and I'll be happy to help. Good luck with your repair.